At the last form that you need to be familiar with is point-slope form. So again, if we take our points 5, 6, and -3, 2. Okay, point-slope form, like slope-intercept form, is just a way that a form that you can write it in to solve an equation for that line. Okay, are you guys familiar with point-slope form? Okay, point-slope form should not require you to memorize a separate equation. Okay, because if we took the equation for slope, which is m is equal to the difference of y's over the difference of x's, and we got rid of the fraction here, what would we need to multiply both sides by? If we just multiplied by x1 minus x2, we'd get m times x1 minus x2 is equal to y1 minus y2. Okay. And if we simply changed this, got rid of our subscript 1's, and changed our subscript 2's to that 1, we just switch them, relabel them, we have our point-slope form. Point-slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So point-slope is really just the slope equation rewritten. And so it shouldn't require you to memorize anything new if you're going to use this. Right? To me, this was always the easier one to use, but it's rare that most students don't. Most students prefer using the slope-intercept form. Okay, but if you're solving by point-slope form, your first step is the same. Find slope. Okay, so we got our slope for this last one to be 1/2. Is that right? Okay. And then all you do is you plug in values for x1, y1, and the slope. And then you're going to solve for y. Okay, so there's only 2 steps in this type of calculation. So we found our slope to be 1/2. So if we plug in our y1 value, which let's say is 6, our slope we found to be 1/2. Our x1 value is the corresponding x coordinate. What we can now do is just solve for y. So distributing our 1/2, we get 1/2 x minus 5/2. Add 6 to both sides. Well, adding 6 was equivalent to adding 12/2. So we get y is equal to 1/2 x plus 7/2. Exactly what we got when we solved using the slope-intercept form. It doesn't matter. You can choose any method. I'm never going to tell you you have to use one method or another. I'm just presenting options for you.